Welcome to TechWire. This video is quite interesting. It helps you to control your home lightings using a mobile device. So let's get started. Apart from SC05 Bluetooth module, this relay module plays a key role for connecting your home appliances and control it by Arduino. A relay module consists of three output slots, one to connect to the AC supply and other to the home appliances. Relay module is an electronic switch. It turns on when it receives command from the Arduino. It consists of 4 pins to connect to the Arduino. The ground pin is connected to the Arduino ground. IN1 is connected to Arduino pin 13. VCC is connected to Arduino 5V. For this project, you must require an Arduino UNO board, SC05 Bluetooth module, a relay module, a breadboard, a 220-volt LED bulb, and some jumper wires. Check out the description area for the code. Here pin 10 is assigned as the output. After that, click the verify button. After verifying it completed, click the upload button. Check out my previous video to know how to connect HC05 Bluetooth module to Arduino. At first turn on the Bluetooth, then open the LED app and wait until SC05 displays and then press it. This is the schematic version of the circuit. Here you can see that the positive terminal of the LED is connected to the relay, while the negative terminal of the LED is connected to the AC supply, and the positive terminal of the AC supply is connected to the relay. So that's it. This is how you can control your home appliances using mobile.